Hi everybody, this is Doug Hippie from EAC Product Development Solutions for another tip of the week. I'm going to talk today about the Learning Connector. So I'm going to open up this fender, motorcycle fender here, and I'm going to go in and begin to do an extrude using that extrude tool. Now if I'm shaking my head and wondering what the heck, how do I use this particular tool, all I have to do is go up and pick on the Learning Connector icon in the upper right hand corner. That would be it. That's squished in between the little magnifying lens of the command search tool and the question mark for your help files. So I'm going to pick on that Learning Connector and watch what happens when I do this. You'll notice that my window scooches over a little bit, and now I've got a new Learning Connector dialog box that pops up. In the process, I get three different areas. I have the ability to see a tutorial, a quick video tutorial of the feature that I'm working on. It also takes me into the e-learning topics that are relative to the tool that I'm trying to use right now, as well as goes into the Help Center to show you where the information might be in the Help Center, and then of course goes into the knowledge base to show you information from that knowledge base. So what the benefit of this tool here essentially is you don't have to go through and search through your learning catalog in order to find where the feature may be. You don't have to go through the Help Center and do a search through that. And you don't have to dig through the knowledge base. So there's three different areas that you have that are relative to that specific feature that you've had. Now, in the event that the feature doesn't exist there, you can always just type in and do a search up here in the search box of the Learning Connector. You're going to get the same scenario. You're going to get recommended topics within e-learning. You're going to get information relative to it in the Help Center. And you're also going to see it in the knowledge base. So let's take a look at this and learn how we can turn the Learning Connector on in our session of Creo Parametric. Where you're going to find that is in the configuration tool. So in your config option, what you want to do is go in and you want to set enable_Learning Connector. How do I do that? I pick the add button. In the option name, I just type in the feature that I want to have. And you'll notice that I've got that put in there right now, but you'll notice that there aren't any option values because this is a hidden command. I just type in yes at this point here, say OK, and then that will establish enabling Learning Connector. Now don't forget to export that config option into your config.profile so the next time you turn on Creo Parametric, it'll engage itself. Now one thing to keep in mind though is this is only available in Creo Parametric 1.0, the build M020. So if you or your systems admin has not updated to the latest build of Creo Parametric, feel free to go and do that. If you'd like some information relative to that, contact your EAC account manager. We'll be more than happy to get you in touch with us so that we can help you get that downloaded and installed. Thanks again. This is Doug Hippie giving you another tip of the week.